What if this is it, Hiccup? What if the rest of my life is like this? What then?
Then we'll deal with it. Just because you can't see doesn't mean you're helpless.
But that's exactly how I feel.
Astrid, you and I have been through everything together. You don't think we can handle this? Astrid, you have me, no matter what. Okay, whatever that means, whatever you want it to mean, I am with you. There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always.
Things that you do